Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to see friend request over on BeReal. So the process is going to be very easy, but make sure that do watch the video completely in order to get perfect into it. So here let's create a BeReal account very quick. Now after creating your account, you can either import your contacts and add it on BeReal, and here let's simply create a new post. And now if you see it, okay, so here let's say let's add a caption. So after that, as you can see, if you in the upper left corner there are icon for requests. Click on that icon and head to request. So guys, here you can find all the upcoming requests over on your BeReal. So this is how you can find the request over on BeReal. So I hope you have learned something new. If you like the video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.